Usually I don't post. Usually I don't post, but I want the world to know. Time to pull a drop tops out. Summer nights, it's a vibe, yeah. We've been keeping it.
Y'all, this wig claims to be 26 inches, right? But how is it touching the top of my butt? Either I'm shrinking or they gave extra inches. I don't know. You tell me. I've never known 26-inch straight hair to touch the top of my butt. I mean, I'm not complaining, but wow. This is giving 30 inches easy, y'all. So today I have another glueless wig install for y'all. This straight middle part bust down. She's 26 inches long, but I told y'all in the intro, she's given 30, okay? I wanna give a big thank you to Ashimary Hair for sponsoring today's wig install for y'all. I'm not gonna talk too much in this intro because I'm gonna show you unboxing the wig when I received it, installing it, styling it. So we're gonna go through the whole 9. If you're not already subscribed to my YouTube channel, what are you doing, baby? Go ahead, click that subscribe button, hit that bell so you're notified as soon as your girl posts a new video. And if you would like to get into this wig install with these crazy inches, because it's only supposed to be 26 inch, y'all know what to do. Definitely stay tuned. So my wig arrived in this turquoise box. It's from Ashimary Hair. And once you open up the box, here is your wig. And it also came with some wig freebies. Y'all know how I feel about that. I always love that. It came with an edge brush. It also came with an elastic band, a pair of 3D eyelashes, a premium HD wig cap, an eyebrow razor. This is to like remove the excess lace on wigs. And then it also came with this little gift box, y'all. It came with little like flower arrangements, and then there's a necklace in here. Let's see if I can show you. So here is the necklace that the wig came with. And as you can see, I love wearing robes when I install my wig. So they also sent this gorgeous robe. My wig did come packaging in this plastic bag, and this is 26 inches long, y'all. This is a straight wig. This is the most low maintenance texture that you can purchase. It does have a hairnet around it, so let's go ahead and take that off. And look at this, y'all. This is 26 inches long, but I swear it's giving like 30 inches. Like, what? I always forget that straight hair looks longer than like any other texture. Y'all know I love a good curly wig and everything, but you definitely see your inches on a straight wig, okay? So here is the wig. It is on a 5x5 HD lace closure. It has pre-bleach knots as well as a pre-plucked hairline, y'all. So when I tell you this wig is ready to wear, it is ready to wear straight out of the box. Some companies, when they do the pre-bleach knots, they're just lightly bleached. When I tell you I cannot see any knots on this wig, like they really took the time to bleach these knots exactly how I would. So I love that. And here is the inside of the cap construction. We have an adjustable strap here to wear it glueless, and it does have this silicone material on the inside of the cap so that it will grip to your head and not move. And then as far as the rest of the cap construction, there are no wig combs, which I don't mind at all because I typically only use the one in the back anyways. So I don't mind that there's no wig combs in here. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply my foundation underneath the lace per usual, and I'll be right back so we can go ahead and throw the wig on our head and see what it's looking like. And I just realized that they did send wig combs with the wig if you would like to attach them inside of the wig cap. So if you feel more comfortable with wig combs, you can definitely do so, which I think is super bomb. I went ahead and applied my foundation under the lace, y'all, so it is now ready to install. Let's go ahead and install this wig. Okay, ooh, she tight, boy. Oh my gosh, she tight. Wait a minute. I might need to loosen this up in the back. Ooh, they trying to give us a headache. I see what they doing with the tightness, but my goodness. This mug is on there, okay? Okay, we got her on. She's nice and snug and secure, but yeah, I need to loosen that up a little bit because if I don't, this is more than likely gonna give me a headache, y'all, okay? So let's go ahead and do a middle parting. It's already parted in the middle, 5 inches of parting space back. I'm gonna go ahead and take my ebon wax stick and go around the parting area. Then I'm gonna take my olive oil spritz and we are going to smooth down this parting area so it's nice and flat. Honestly, this is really only the must step that I do for every single install. You didn't have to do this step if you didn't want to be honest, but if you want your wigs to look like you got them professionally done, then I feel like this step is major key. Then I'm gonna take the back of the hot comb and use it to get this part flat. I didn't do baby hairs for my last straight wig install. I'm gonna do baby hairs on this wig. You don't have to. This isn't a necessity, but it's just something that I like to do. Do y'all remember the eyebrow razor that this wig came with? I'm gonna go ahead and use this to cut some baby hairs around the front of the wig. This is perfect for this because you simply just pull it down and now you have like some wispy hairs. And then I'm gonna take my edge brush. This is the one that they sent, as well as this Extreme Pro Gel. And that's what I'm gonna use to lay these baby hairs real quick, okay? So we're gonna do 3. We're gonna do 1 in the middle here. Then I'm gonna do 1 on this right side. Don't mind that sound, I'm cooking, y'all. I'm baking some chicken right now. If y'all aren't subscribed to my new vlog channel, make sure you do so because there will be some cooking involved with my vlogs. So yeah, link will be down below, and then I'll also do a card up top for y'all. And then we're gonna do 1 baby hair on this left side. So next I'm gonna put my concealer down the parting area. This is MAC NW43 Studio Finish in the palette. I will have this linked on the screen for y'all. You can also check my Amazon storefront for any of the products that I use to install my wigs. They are all listed there, y'all. Again, this step isn't a must, but for me, it just really defines that parting and it makes it look better, in my opinion. So now we are just going to refresh the hair a little bit by running a flat iron through it. I'm gonna go in with my Garnier Moroccan Sleek Oil. I love this stuff. I pretty much use this in all of my installs as well. And I'm just gonna run it through the hair. So I have my cheat flat iron and I'm gonna use my rat tail comb just to get this hair nice and sleek. As I mentioned, it's already straight, but I just want to get any of the kinks from it being in the packaging. It's not like as straight as it was when they initially shipped it, which I mean is gonna happen, but this is just like an extra step that I like to take to make sure that my glueless wig is looking amazing. And do y'all see, like, that was so simple, but you can already tell a difference between this side here and this side. You see how it's just like more uniform and more sleek, and there's no like bumps or like waves or anything in the hair. The last thing I'm gonna do is take a little bit of the Sebastian Shaper Plus hairspray and just spray it on the top just to make sure there's no like flyaway hairs on the top. I want everything to look so nice and sleek. And here is the look, y'all. The hair is fully styled and it is completely glueless. This wig is giving me all the vibes. The length of this wig, the fact that it was so simple to install. I have been loving the glueless wig install trend as of late. I have been trying all of these different textures. If you have any texture that I haven't tried yet and you've been dying for me to try it, or a hair color, y'all know what to do. Let me know in the comment section down below. And if you're interested in checking out this wig from Ashimary Hair, I will leave a link down below in the description box, as well as any coupon codes that they provide your girl with. If you're not already caught up on my latest videos, I post 2 to 3 videos a week. That means you're behind. Go ahead and check out all of my latest videos. I will leave the playlist right here and you can catch up on every single upload that you've missed.